Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into tech, wearables, and the latest gadgets, you're in the right place. Today we've got something super exciting to talk about. The Samsung Galaxy Ring. It's Samsung's first step into the world of smart rings, and trust me, it's a game changer. Today we're going to break down everything from design to performance. Is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting tech videos. Alright, so let's dive straight in. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is part of Samsung's growing ecosystem of wearables, but this time they've gone in a completely different direction. Rather than a smartwatch or fitness tracker, the Galaxy Ring is a discreet, sleek, and powerful wearable that you can wear right on your finger. Think of it as the future of health monitoring and smart tech, all in a tiny, elegant ring. When it comes to design, Samsung absolutely nailed it. The Galaxy Ring is made from premium materials, offering a comfortable, lightweight fit. It's also water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking it off for a swim or a quick shower. What I love is that it doesn't scream tech. It looks like a stylish piece of jewelry, which is something a lot of smart rings struggle with. It comes in a sleek matte black, and there's also a metallic finish option, giving you a bit of customization in terms of style. Now let's talk about features. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is packed with sensors. You've got everything from heart rate monitoring to sleep tracking, stress levels, and even blood oxygen levels. It syncs up seamlessly with the Samsung Health app, so all your data is right there on your phone. I also found that the battery life is pretty impressive for a device this small, lasting 3-4 days on a single charge, depending on your usage. When it comes to performance, I've found the Galaxy Ring's sensors to be accurate. I compared it to my traditional fitness tracker, and the data was pretty spot on. However, it's not just about fitness. It also integrates well with the Samsung SmartThings, meaning you can control your smart home devices with a simple tap or swipe on the ring. So, to wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy Ring is definitely a unique and innovative addition to the wearable market. It's stylish, functional, and offers a fresh take on health tracking. If you're looking for something discreet, easy to use, and in tune with your Samsung ecosystem, this might be a perfect fit. Thanks for watching today's review. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.